welcome back to the career platform. I'm Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here, this is the exercise 5.2 that is totally based on the pie chart. Okay, so we will do this question. Question number 1. A survey was made to find the type of music. There are some type of music. There are 4 type of music. It is given, that is light is 40%, semi-classic 20%, classical 10%, folk is 30%. Okay, so total is, you can see total is 100%. Okay, it should be 100% in the pie chart total. Okay, so from this pie chart we have to answer the following questions. The first part, you can see, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Okay, so for 10% you can number first, classical is 10%. Okay, so for the 10%, people like classical music. So 10% is, okay, so 10 represents, I can write here 10% represents 100 people. Okay, so 20 people, for 20 people it will be 20 into 100 upon 10. 0 is cancelled. Answer is 200 people surveyed. Okay, so here you can see this is the first part. Now come to the second part, which type of music is liked by maximum number of people. So here you can see the greatest percentage. Okay, here you can see that light music has greatest percentage, that is 40%. So its answer is light music 40%. Okay, now come to the third part. Okay students, its third part is, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? Okay, so here you have to calculate for each type of music. So first we will take classical. Classical is 10%, so 10 by 100 into 1000 CDs. So here into 1000. So 100 type. Okay. Number second is semi-classical. Semi-classical is 20%, so 20 by 100 into 1000 CDs. Okay. So here it comes 200. Number third is folk, that is 30 by 100 into 1000. So it comes 300, right? Now fourth is light music, that is 40%, means 40 by 100 into 1000. So 0 is cancelled. 400 is the answer. So this is the third part for the exercise, question number 1. Okay, let's move to the next question students. Here it is question number 2. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons. Okay, here it is given the data: season, summer season, number of votes is 90, rainy 120, winter 150. So what is the question here? It is given 3 parts based on this. First part is, which season got the most votes? You can see this one, winter 150 is the largest number. So most votes to the, here you can write winter season. Okay, number second is, find the central angle of each sector. So we have to find the central angle. We know that the total people is 360. So here I am making chart for the central angle. I am making one column for central angle here. Okay, like this you have to draw. Same for summer, then number of votes, then central angle for the second part. Okay, for the second part I am writing in here only. So the total number of people is 360 and the central angle means the total angle, total complete angle for the circle is how much? It is 360 degree, right? Complete angle is 360 degree and the number of people is 360. So for the number of people we will divide with the number of people and multiply with the complete angle, that is 360 degree. So 360 cancel, means 90 degree. Here 120 by 360 into 360, right? So here I am getting 120 degree. Here 150 divided by 360 into 360 equal to 150 degree. Like this is the second part. Now third part, we have to draw a pie chart to show this information. Means this information we have to show in the pie chart. For pie chart I am making here. Like this you have to make one circle having one radius. Yes, okay. Now you have to draw summer 90 degree. So 90 degree is like this. So it is summer, right? Now come to the rainy season, 120 degree somewhere here, that is here 90 degree. This is 120, this is 150. So this is winter and this is rainy. Like this you can draw the pie chart. This is 90 degree, this is 120 degree and this is 150 degree. Okay, so this is your pie chart. Like this you have to calculate the central angle first, then you have to draw pie chart like this. So next question is question number 3rd. Here it is given some chart given depend on colors and number of people. Okay, so here we have to draw a pie chart. For blue it is 18, green 9, red 6 and yellow 3, and the total you can count here. How many number of people? 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 and 8 is 26. Okay, so here 6 and 2 is carry, 2 plus 1 is 3. So total is 36 people. So we have to find first central angle here. Central angle. To make the pie chart you have to calculate first central angle. Okay. Here 18, total number of people is 36, divide by 36 into complete angle is 360 degree. So here 360 degree, 36 times the 360 degree equal to 180 degree. Okay, fine. So blue is coming 180 degree, green is 9 by 36 into 360 degree means 90 degree. Okay, 6 by 36 into 360 degree, that is 60 degree. Red, and 3 by 36 into 360 degree, that is 30 degree. Okay, so here it is coming 180, 90, 60 and 30. So we have to draw the pie chart. You can use your protector also for this. This is the pie chart. Okay, so blue is 180 degree, so single line, that is 180 degree. Okay, this is blue. Now come to the green, that is 90 degree, so I can make 90 degree here, that is green, that is 180 degree, this is 90 degree. Now red and yellow is 60 and 30, means total 90. So here it is total 90 degree. So Fy make like this, somewhat here it is 30 degree and here 60 degree. Okay, if you use protector, so it will be measured accurate. I am roughly drawing here. Okay, so 30 degree it is red, sorry, this is yellow, $60 is red. So like this you have to draw the pie chart. Okay students, let's do the question number 4 here. Here it is given some pie chart of the examination it is handled. Okay, the adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student. Okay, one student has scored this marks in the different subjects, that is English, Hindi, Science, Social Studies, Social Science and Mathematics. Okay, so this is given the central angle here. So if the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. So three parts are here. So first we have to find the marks. Okay, so for maths it is 90 degree, so 90 by 360 into 540. Okay, this is central angle, so here we have to calculate marks, so divide by 360 degree. Okay, first, so 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 here, 2 5s are 10. So here it is coming 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 13. So 135 marks. Okay, when we find central angle, okay, so what is the formula for that? What is the formula for that? That this means marks upon total marks into 360, right? So we have to find the marks here. Okay, so what is given? Central angle is given, so we have to write like this. So marks equal to angle into total marks upon 360 degree. So that will be the formula for calculating the marks. Therefore I had written 360 degree here. Okay, when we find a central angle we have to multiply 360 here, but when we have to find the marks we have to divide this 360 degree here. Okay, so this is for the maths. And come to the English, that is 55 by 360 into 540. Okay, 2 18 3s are 54, 18 2s are 366, sorry 36. So I am getting 5 15 1 3 15 16, 165 by 2. It is 2 8 is 16, 2 2s are 4, 82.5 marks in English. Okay, in SST, sorry, in Hindi 70 by 360 into 540. So I am getting here 3s are 2, 3s are 6, 110, 2 5s are 10. So 35 multiplied by 3 here. 3 5s are 15. 1 3 is a 9, 10. 105 marks for Hindi. Okay. This is for maths. This is for English. This is for Hindi. Maths, English getting 82.5, Hindi getting 105. Like this we have to find science. For the science it is code number 80 degree. So 80 by 360 into 540. 0 0. 18 2s are 36. 18 3s are 54. 240s are, that is 120 degree. Sorry, marks. 120 marks for science. Number 5th is social science, equal to, what is the degree? 65. So 65 by 360 into 540. So I am getting here 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 19, 195 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18, 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 97.5 marks. So what is the question? First we had calculate all the marks from the central angle given. Okay. Then first question is, in which student did the, sorry, not the student, in which subject? In which subject did the student score 105 marks? So 105 marks is this one, that is the Hindi. So here your answer is Hindi subject. Number 2nd is, how many more marks were obtained by student in math than in Hindi? So here in math it is 135 and in Hindi it is 105. So you have to make difference of that. 135 minus 105, that is 30 marks. 30 more marks were obtained by the student in math than in Hindi. You have to write full sentence here by differencing it. Okay. Number 3rd is, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in SST and math is more than the science and Hindi. You can see SST mark is here 97.5 and 135. Okay. So you can calculate here 135 plus 97.5. So this is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 1 is carry. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 232.5 is for SST and math. Okay. And science and Hindi is 105 and science is getting 120. So 120 plus 105, that is 325. So this is so you can see here that SST and math mark is 232.5 and science and Hindi mark is 225 total. So which is greater? This is the greater. So yes. So answer is yes. Yes, the sum of the marks obtained in SST and math is more than the science and Hindi. So this is the question number 4. Okay students, let's move to the next question. This is the last question of this exercise 5.2. Here it is given number of students in a hostel speaking different languages. Okay, so these are the languages: Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil and Bengali, and number of students speaking Hindi is 40, speaking English is 12, speaking Marathi is 9, speaking Tamil is 7, speaking Bengali is 4. So total is 72 students. So we have to find first, we have to draw the pie chart. Okay. So for this we have to calculate central angle. Central angle. So 40 upon 72 into 360 degree. So 36 1 tangent and here 36 2s are 72, here 2 20s are 40, so I am getting here 200 degree. Here 12 by 72 into 360, 2 6 are 12, that is 60 degree. 9.72 into 360 degree, 9 5s are 45 degree. 7 by 72 into 360 degree, that is 7 5s are 35 degree. Here 4 into 360 by 72, that is 5. 5 was a 20 degree. Okay, so this is your central angle. Okay, for Hindi it is 200 degree, English 60 degree, Marathi 45, Tamil 35 and Bengali 20 degree. So here we have to plot the pie chart. So on the basis of this we have to draw this pie chart. You should use the protector to measure this. Okay, so 200 degree is for Hindi, so you have to write Hindi here 200 degree. I had make plot. Okay, roughly I had drawn. You can use the protector also. Okay, 60 degree is for English, so I am writing here English. Okay, for Marathi it is 45 degree. This is for Marathi language. Here for Tamil it is 35 degree. This is Tamil. And Bengali it is 20 degree. It is Bengal. Okay, so like this you have to draw the pie chart on the basis of the central angle. So this is the last question. I hope you understood up till here. In the next video I will come with the exercise 5.3. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.